In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pie chart to your Shopify store using an app or a third-party widget. We'll start with a straightforward no-code option that lives entirely inside your store. Open the Shopify App Store and search for terms like pie chart or data visualization. You'll see options such as Easy Pie Chart or CN Graphs and Charts. Pick an app that matches your design needs and budget, then install it. Once it's added, follow the app's guided setup. You'll typically choose the chart type, select pie or donut, and then enter your data, labels, and values. From there, customize the look and feel. Adjust colors to match your brand palette, set fonts for titles and legends, and fine-tune options like size, borders, and hover behavior. Many of these apps plug into the theme customizer, so you can drop the chart right into a section on your homepage, product page, or a custom page, and see your changes live before saving. Take a moment to preview on desktop and mobile to confirm it scales well. If you're deciding between apps, check reviews, pricing tiers, and whether the app supports your theme version. Now let's look at a flexible embed approach using a third-party widget. Sign up for a service that generates charts, such as ElfSite. Inside the platform, build your pie chart by adding labels and values. Choose a color scheme, and set optional details like a title, legend placement, or animation. When you're happy with the preview, copy the generated HTML code they provide. In Shopify, open your theme editor from Online Store Themes, then Customize. Navigate to the page or section where you want the chart to appear and add a custom liquid block. Paste the code into that block and click Save. Your chart should render immediately in the preview. If you don't see it, make sure you're editing the correct template and that your changes are saved, then refresh the preview. Both methods work well. Use an app if you want native controls and quick styling within Shopify, or go with a widget if you prefer a wider variety of designs, and plan to reuse the same chart outside Shopify too. A quick tip before you wrap up. Double-check your data totals so your pie segments add up accurately, and keep your labels short for better readability on mobile. That's it. Choose the approach that fits your workflow, customize confidently, and publish when everything